Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming your phone OS version and freeing a little storage so the app installs cleanly. Next, pick a reputable VPN app from the official store or decide to use the device's built-in VPN client. Make sure you understand the subscription model. Once done, create or sign into the VPN account and enter payment info if required. Make sure to enable permissions the app requests so it can create a secure tunnel. This gets you ready to configure connections fast. You now configure the connection. Open the app and pick a server, choose a nearby server for speed or a specific country for access. Then select a protocol, WireGuard or ICAV to balances speed and security. Enable the kill switch and auto start so your apps don't leak if the VPN drops. Enter any advanced DNS if needed. Once configured, tap Connect and wait for the status to show protected. After that, verify your new IP address and location in a quick check to confirm it's working. You finish by confirming the VPN auto-connects on untrusted networks and by checking app updates regularly to stay secure. If speeds are poor, switch to a different server, change the protocol, or enable split tunneling so only selected apps use the VPN. If the VPN won't connect, restart your phone, check your subscription status, and toggle permissions. If that fails, contact provider support with logs. Remember to turn off the VPN when not needed to save battery, and verify settings after major OS updates.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.